might be Harry Potter. I know, that sounds nuts. But hear me out. Just listen. The other night, I was doing her laundry, and in the dryer, I heard clunk, 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 clunk. And what did I find? But this prefect pin and this pin. What in the world? And then yesterday, I saw her outside with this sword. And it doesn't do anything when I use it. But I saw all kinds of crazy things happening, and I thought, okay, maybe I'm insane. But then, when I went to go and get myself a cold beverage in the fridge, I saw this in the back of our refrigerator. And as if that's not enough, later on I was getting a snack. There were 2 cans of Busy Wizzies. I mean, if there's no other evidence, what else could there possibly be? But wait, it gets worse. Here, I thought this was some perfume. I don't think that's perfume. And finally, there's a map of Diagon Alley in our home. I'm telling you, these signs are all proof.